Hello everyone, my name is Theo. I've supported young people over the years in collaboration with TGP Cymru and the SafeStars. Some examples have been raising money with my own DJ event, which I put on to raise funds for the children's charity in the Ceredigion Museum. After this event in 2019, I was invited to Cardiff, where in the Senedd I met Jackie Murphy, who is the CEO of TGP Cymru, when I got my award for fundraising. I have always enjoyed supporting the SafeStars with my video editing skills when it came to creating work that was then presented back to TGP Cymru stakeholders. For example, myself and the group made a collaborative project which involved spreading awareness for online safety, and as so we created a fashion show which took place in Arad Goch, Aberystwyth. We chose the theme of Incognito. I then created a video for this by filming all the activities, editing it all together, then presenting it back for our progress report in 2019. In 2019, I published my own article revolving around mental health awareness. This had taken place in the Ego magazine in November of 2019. And I expressed very clearly in my article how I had supported TGP Cymru over the many months. After talking about my own mental health experiences over the years, I included contacts for those to get in touch with if they themselves were experiencing issues and needed help quickly. It is my passion to support young people along with TGP Cymru, and I'm proud of all the achievements we've made together. I received feedback letting me know that my article did make a difference and that young people have benefited a lot since pushing awareness further. My article was successful in its communication, but we shouldn't stop there. Teenagers are still struggling, and I understand this from my own experiences. I would like people to know that there is help out there, after I was lucky enough to get the support I needed many years ago. Looking into the bright future ahead, I am happy to be planning an interactive DJ set in Aberaeron with the SafeStars and TGP Cymru. This will continue to spread awareness and hopefully engage young people in our practice. It has definitely been a pleasure working with the SafeStars, and furthermore into the future as we look forward to inviting new members to the group to learn more about our practice. Thank you everyone for listening. Diolch yn fawr iawn.